Surviving in the wilderness is all about preparation and quick thinking. Today, we're going over the top 10 essential items that can dramatically increase your chances of survival in a critical situation. Whether you're an experienced outdoorsman or new to adventuring, these tools are crucial for navigating unpredictable environments. These aren't just nice-to-haves. They're must-haves that could make all the difference between survival and disaster. Let's jump right into the top 10 essentials. A durable, full-tang fixed-blade knife is your go-to for cutting, splitting wood, preparing food, and even defending yourself. A good knife is versatile. You'll use it for shelter building, processing kindling, or even medical situations where precision cutting is required. Avoid folding knives, as they're less sturdy for survival tasks. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. Make sure you have multiple fire-starting tools, like waterproof matches, a lighter, or even a fire steel. Don't forget to pack reliable tinder, something like cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly or commercial fire starters. Always practice your fire-starting skills before you find yourself in a survival scenario. The weather can turn in an instant. Wearing and packing proper layered clothing is key to regulating body temperature and avoiding hypothermia. Start with moisture-wicking base layers, followed by insulation like fleece or down, and finish with an outer shell to protect against wind and rain. The right clothing will keep you comfortable, dry, and safe in harsh conditions. Staying dry is half the battle in wilderness survival. Hypothermia can set in even in mild temperatures if you're wet for too long. A quality rain jacket and waterproof pants are lightweight and can be packed easily. This layer will protect your core temperature by keeping moisture off your body. A metal water bottle, especially stainless steel, serves multiple purposes. It's not only for carrying water, but can also be used to boil water to purify it or cook small meals. Plastic bottles can't handle high heat, so always choose metal if you want the option to cook over a fire. Injuries in the wilderness, no matter how small, can quickly become life-threatening if not treated. A well-stocked first aid kit is non-negotiable. Pack bandages, antiseptic wipes, medical tape, tweezers, and any prescription medications you may need. And make sure you know how to use everything in your kit before heading out. You can survive without food for days, but not without water. Carry a portable water filter, such as a straw filter or a pump filter, along with purification tablets. These tools ensure you always have access to clean drinking water, no matter where you are. A portable shelter like a tarp, emergency blanket, or a small tent can be a lifesaver. It protects you from rain, wind, and extreme temperatures. A simple tarp can be quickly turned into a makeshift shelter using your knife and some cordage, ensuring you stay dry and insulated. While GPS devices are handy, they can run out of battery or fail in harsh conditions. Always carry a physical map of the area and a reliable compass. Learn how to navigate without relying on technology. It's a skill that could guide you back to safety if you get lost. While you can go for days without eating, having food boosts morale and keeps your energy up. Pack calorie-dense, non-perishable foods like energy bars, nuts, and jerky. In addition to this, learning basic foraging, fishing, or trapping techniques can help you sustain yourself longer term in survival situations. A small fishing kit or snare wire can be extremely useful. To wrap things up, the 10 essential survival items we covered today include a full tang knife, fire-starting tools, proper clothing, rain gear, a metal water bottle, a first aid kit, water purification tools, portable shelter, a map and compass, and food with a way to procure more. These essentials form the backbone of any good survival kit, giving you the best chance of staying alive in the wilderness. Survival is about preparation. Start building your survival kit today, and make sure you practice using each item before you head out into the wild. Knowing how to use your gear is just as important as having it. Subscribe for more survival tips, and share this video with someone who might need it on their next adventure. Stay safe, stay prepared, and keep exploring.